May dalawang paraan para tayo ay mag-ipon ng pera. The first one is what we call income minus expense equals savings. Meron kang pera na kinikita mo every single month. You deduct all your expenses na kailangan mo. Kung merong maiwan, yun yung savings mo. Ang tanong, meron bang maiwan? Most of the time, the answer is wala. The problem with this formula is that even if kumikita ka ng malaking pera, yung mindset natin, hala, kumikita na ako na mas malaki. Tataas rin yung expenses mo. Therefore, wala ka pa rin ipon na pera. And 20 years from now, you're going to look back and say, hala, saan napunta yung pera? That is why there is another option to save money. Yung formula nito is income minus savings equals expense. The moment you receive your income, magtabi ka muna ng savings. Kahit na konti lang. Kung ano yung maiwan, yun yung expenses mo. Just want to clarify also, please do not follow this formula blindly. What if single parent ka? May 3 anak and you are earning minimum wage. Congratulations! May savings ka nga kasi in-apply mo tong formula na to, but yung anak mo malnourished. See? So, hindi rin tama yung priority. That is why, kailangan i-audit muna natin yung finances natin kung practical ba gawin yung savings formula. If the answer is yes, then apply it immediately.